Your grass may stop growing for fall and winter, but you'll still want to keep up its health throughout the season. Well-maintained lawns stay lush and get a head start once spring rolls around. So in this video, we'll show you how to prepare your lawn for fall and winter so you can have vibrant green grass throughout the following growing season. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. Your turf grass's growth is going to slow down when temperatures drop, including the grass blade's length, but it's still important to maintain proper lawn height. This will differ depending on your lawn's turf grass species. When your grass grows too tall as temperatures drop, usually around 3 inches for most grasses, we recommend you start mowing to about half an inch below your usual mowing height and cut off no more than 1/3 of the blade's current length. Mow regularly until your grass reaches dormancy. Cool season grasses that continue to grow later into the year may still need to be mowed at least once a week. The layer of dead grass left behind after mowing is called thatch. This, along with other debris like leaves and branches, needs to be picked up to keep your lawn clear. If not, they'll create coverage over your turf, creating suitable conditions for fungi, weeds, and insects. If you find your soil is heavily compacted, aerating will help increase flow and drainage. You can do this with machinery, lawn aerator shoes, or other specialized tools. Aeration allows water and nutrients to seep deeper into the soil and encourage stronger root development. We recommend you aerate your lawn while your grass is still actively growing. If you've noticed weed growth during previous growing seasons, then consider laying a pre-emergent herbicide. A pre-emergent herbicide is used to prevent weeds from germinating when temperatures are ideal for weed growth. For most lawns, we recommend you use a product like Barricade Granular Pre-Emergent Herbicide. Barricade is a flexible, broad-spectrum herbicide that can be used over many different turf grasses to prevent various broadleaf and grassy weeds from sprouting. To stop winter weeds, apply Barricade during fall once the soil temperatures cool to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 007 10-pound bag containing 0.58% prodiamine, your application rate will depend on your turf grass species. In turf with grasses like creeping bentgrass or red fescue, you'll apply 1.5 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. In turf with grasses like St. Augustine or Bahia grass, you'll apply 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. After application, be sure to water the product in with at least half an inch of water within 14 days. This application will prevent weeds from sprouting until spring. If you have currently established weeds on your lawn, then you'll need to apply a post-emergent herbicide. Unlike pre-emergent herbicides, post-emergent herbicides will kill weeds that have already sprouted, weeds you can actually see growing in your grass. Weeds steal nutrients, water, and sunlight from your turf, and other desirable plants you may want, so it's vital to kill any weeds in your lawn. To get rid of established weeds on warm season turf, we recommend you use Fahrenheit Herbicide. If you have cool season turf, then use MSM Turf. Both products are selective herbicides that will need to be mixed with water before application. To treat weeds with Fahrenheit, you can mix and apply 0.09 to 0.28 ounces in 1 gallon of water over 1,000 square feet of treatment area depending on your targeted weed. If you're using MSM Turf, you'll mix and apply 0.0057 to 0.023 ounces in 1 gallon of water over 1,000 square feet. Apply your solution to your targeted weeds using a fan spray to coat the weeds thoroughly until wet. You'll see the affected weeds start to die within 2 weeks. Fertilizing is essential for any lawn's health during the winter. Actually, the best time to fertilize is during fall before your grass becomes dormant. This way, your grass stores and slowly uses the nutrients over winter while it's not growing, so it's in a better condition to grow when spring arrives. For a general application, we recommend you use a fertilizer like Solutions 8-12-16 Fall Grow Fertilizer. You can broadcast this fertilizer over your lawn at a rate of 5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. For warm season turf, apply 1 time before your grass becomes dormant. For cool season turf, you may want to apply fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during its growing season until it becomes dormant. Fall and winter may be periods of reduced growth, but the right preparation will ensure your lawn stays in good health all the way through to spring. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can maintain the lush green grass you've always wanted, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.